ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Naishkarmya Siddhi, we have seen up to shloka number 39. It was said, due to Ajnanam, we seek hitam and we go away from ahitam. And in Deha, there is Varna Ashrama Abhimanam, and through that, Naraha becomes a karta of Kaika karma, Vachika karma, and Manasa karma, becoming a Kinkara of Veda. Up to that we saw. See further in Tika. Evam Anvayam Uktva तद व्यतिरिक्ते कर्म व्यतिरेकम आख्यातुम उत्तर श्लोक इत्याह यस्मादिति. As I told you, there could be some break there. Let us see further. So, evam anvayam uktva. Anvaya of Ajnanam. When Ajnanam is, karma is. This is Anvaya. Vyatireka will be when Ajnanam is not, karma is not. So it is more like general. Ajnana sattve karma sattvam. Ajnana bhave karma bhavaha. In this way. So evam anvayam uktva tad vyatirikte karma vyatirekam. Ajnana व्यतिरिक्ते कर्म व्यतिरेकम आख्यातुम उत्तर श्लोके उत्तर श्लोक उत्तर श्लोक उत्तर श्लोक इत्याह. उत्तर श्लोक इत्याह यस्मादिति. See in the मूलम. यस्मात् कर्मा ज्ञान समुत्थम एव तस्मात् तद्व्यावृत्तौ निवर्तत इत्युच्यते. यस्मात्, since karma is ajnana samutthamam eva. Karma ajnana samutthamam means from ajnanam arises kamana and then karma. Ajnana samutthamam eva. Tasmat tad vyavruttau, ajnana vyavruttau karma nivartate. When ajnanam is removed, then karma will go away. Iti uchyate. This is said in the shloka. Shloka number 40. दग्धाखिलाधिकारश्चेत्
दग्धाखिलाधिकारश्चेत्
ब्रह्मज्ञानाग्निना मुनिः
ब्रह्मज्ञानाग्निना मुनिः
वर्तमानः श्रुतेर्मूर्ध्नि
वर्तमानः श्रुतेर्मूर्ध्नि
नैव स्याद्वेद किङ्करः
नैव वेद किङ्करः
दग्धाखिलाधिकारश्चेत् ब्रह्मज्ञानाग्निना मुनिः वर्तमानः श्रुतेर्मूर्ध्नि नैव स्याद्वेद किङ्करः. दग्धाखिलाधिकारश्चेत्, दग्धाः अखिलाधिकाराः यस्य सः दग्धाखिलाधिकारः. If you take ekvachan also, it is okay. Dagdha akhiladhikaro yasya saha दग्धाखिलाधिकारः. Munihi, how his adhikara is burnt? Brahma jnanagnina. Munihi ब्रह्म ज्ञानाग्निना दग्धाखिलाधिकारः चेत् वर्तमानः श्रुतेः मूर्ध्नि, श्रुतेर्मूर्ध्नि वर्तमानः चेत् वेदकिङ्करः नैव स्यात्. Munihi means the one who has attained knowledge. Brahmagnani here. Brahma Jnanagnina, with the help of Brahma Jnana Agni. Brahma Jnana eva Agni. Karmadharaya. Tena. Dagdhakhiladikarah. All his Varna Ashrama Abhimana is burnt. I am Varna Ashrama Vaya Avasthavan. This notion is gone. I am Brahma. This is his Jnanam. Then, Shrutehe Murdhni Vartamanaha. He is present there. He is existing as the Murdhni of Shruti. Shrutehe Murdhni. Shruti means Veda. Vedasya Murdhni is Vedanta. So, he stays there as Vedanta. Shrutehe Murdhni Vartamanaha. In Tika, it will be given as Brahma. Therefore, Naiva Syad Veda Kinkaraha. He will not be Veda Kinkaraha. Means he will not have to follow the karma, vidhi and nisheda shastra because he is mukta. Person who is baddha, that person has to follow vidhi nisheda of Vedas. See in Tika. Adhikriyate karmani anena iti adhikaro. Brahmanyadi abhimana. Adhikara is Brahmana adi abhimana. So this adhikar is burnt. For whom? In other words, abhimana is gone. Main thing that should happen through Brahma Jnanam is I
Abhimana
am,
should go.
yes, I am this person, I am a human being, I am man, woman, whatever identity that I am carrying, that should go. In the olden days, because Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, this Abhimanam was entertained by Vedas and society. So therefore it is said that Abhimanam should go. But now nobody walks around with Brahmana, Kshatriya Abhimana. They walk around with, I am citizen of so and so country. And then mostly people, I am in this status of society, this strata of society. I am so rich, I have so much possession, this, that, etc. And then if they are learned in Shastra, then that Abhimana also can come, that, oh, I know so much more. What do they know? They know nothing. This Abhimana has to go. Because this Abhimana is for Ahankara, and I have understood I am not Ahankara. So elimination of this Ahankara along with Abhimana is expected as a result of study of Vedanta. In those days, because Brahmana, Kshatriya, Abhimana was there, that Abhimana would give them adhikara in karma. Now, Abhimana, when it goes away, then even Laukika karma, I will not have any Abhimana. Vartamanaha, see in Tika, Shruter Murdhni Pratipadyataya Brahma Rupena. Vartamanaha Shrutehe Murdhni. Shruter Murdhni Vartamanaha. He is existing as that which is the crest of Shruti. Murdhanya means this, the top of the head. So that is for the Veda, that part is called Vedanta. Or if you say Vedanta is Mukham, then Murdhani will become Brahma. Or that which is Vedanta Pratipadya, that's how it's given in Tika. Shruter Murdhani Pratipadyataya Brahma Rupena Vartamanaha. He is existing as Brahma. And therefore, for that person, no karma obligation is there. Further, यह पुनर् वेद किंकरो अविद्यान्वयेन संसारान्वयी दर्शितस् तस्य संसार प्रकारं वैराग्योत्पादनाय आह. यह पुनर् वेद किंकरो, the one who is Veda Kinkara, Ajnani, avidya due to avidya existing in him, he is samsaranvayi. Avidyanvayena samsaranvayi. Avidya bhave samsara bhava. So because avidya is there, he has samsara. Samsara means he is constantly thinking, I am going from here to there and struggling, handling my life. Samsaranvai darshitah. Tasya samsar prakaram. What is the nature of his samsara? So that is given. Vairagya utpadanaya, to produce vairagya. So when somebody shows, see, when a person is suffering, that person doesn't know how I am suffering. Somebody says, look at you. What are you doing? Is this what you want? Then I realize, no, this is not what I want. So vairagya utpadanaya, aha, atha itara, see now, in Moolam. Athetaro, ghanatara vidya patala samvita, अंतःकरणोऽङ्गीकृत कर्तृत्वादि अशेष कर्माधिकार कारणो विधि प्रतिषेध चोदना संदर्शोपदष्टः कर्मसु प्रवर्तमानः. All this is for the ajnani. Itaraha. So in 40th, it was talked about the one who is not Veda Kinkara. In 41st now, the one who is Veda Kinkara means who is Ajnani, is the Itara. Ghanatar avidya patala samvit antakaranaha. Samvita, sam upasarga purvak, vye samvarne. Vye samvarne is the dhatu. Samvarna means to create avarana, and then nishtha pratyay is there, it will become samvita. So avidya patala samvit antakarana, whose antakarana is covered by the curtain of avidya. And what kind of avidya? Ghanatara. Ghanatara avidya. Tasya or tasyaha patala tena samvita antakaranam yasya saha ghanatara vidya patala samvita antakarana. One whose antakarana is covered by this thick curtain of ignorance. Angikrita kartruttvadi ashesha karmadhikara karana. He has accepted that I am karta. Kartruttvadi ashesha karma adhikara I have. I am karta, I am bhukta, I want results. I want this sukham, I want that sukham. This person is constantly struggling. He is not able to say, I want only Brahma. So, ashesha karma adhikara karana. He has all karma adhikara karana. Vidhi pratishedha chodana sandamsha upadashtaha. Sandansha means, in Hindi they say sandasi. You know that sansi, what we call, by which you, it's like a thing by which you hold something, right? So it has two arms.
Pair of tongs.
Thong. So those two, they are like vidhi and pratishedha. So with which you hold. This person is held by these two. On one side, vidhi, on another side, pratishedha, do's and don'ts. Vidhi pratishedha chodana sandansha upadashtaha. He is stuck between the two. Karmasu pravartamanaha, constantly engaged in karma. See in Tika. अंगीकृतं कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्व ब्राह्मण्यादि लक्षणम कर्माधिकारे कारणम येन स तथोक्तः. अंगीकृतम means he is accepted. What? कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्व ब्राह्मण्यादि लक्षणम. I am Brahmana, I am Kshatriya, etc. Karmadhikare, in Karmadhikare, all these lakshanas are karanam. Karmadhikare karanam. Vedas will ask you one question. Do you want to be bhokta? Yes. Do this karma, that karma, start. It's very difficult to say, no, I don't want to be bhokta. Because people want such bhoga. So then there is a long list to do. And long list to not do certain things also. कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्व ब्राह्मण्यादि लक्षणम कर्माधिकारे कारणम येन अंगीकृतम अंगीकृतम कारणम येन सह अंगीकृत कर्तृत्वादि अशेष कर्माधिकार कारणः विधि प्रतिषेध चोदनाभ्याम परिगृहीतः चोदना विषये परिगृहीतश् चोदना विषये कर्मणि प्रवर्तमानः because of vidhi and pratished instructions chodhanabhyam parigrihita chodhana vishaye karmani pravartamanah parigrihita, he is caught in this do's and don'ts. Once I decide to become bhokta, after that I don't have choice. I have to follow the rules. Actually, in this whole world, it is like this. If you decide, I want a body, over, then how that body will live, how it will grow, what it will go through, you don't have much choice. It will go through some ups and downs and different stages of life, etc. So, parigrihitash chodana vishaye karmani pravartamanah पूर्वम पूर्वम उत्तरस्य हेतु. Each earlier karma is the hetu, is the cause for each later actions and results. So then, that's it. You have done something, you will go through the results. Shloka. Shubhaihi prapnoti devatvam निषिद्धैर नारकीं गतिं
निषिद्धैर्नागतिं गतिं
आभ्याम पुण्य पापाभ्याम
उभाभ्यां पुण्यपापाभ्यां
मानुष्यं लभते वशः
मानुष्यं लभते वसः शुभैः प्राप्नोति देवत्वं निषिद्धैर्नारकीं उभाभ्यां पुण्यपापाभ्यां मनुष्यं लभते सः.
उपदष्टः शब्द संदंशो उपदष्ट means he is yukt, he is united by vidhi pratisheda on either side, and therefore karmasu pravartamana. In this shloka, shubhaihi devatvam prapnoti, निषिद्धैहि नारकीं गतिं प्राप्नोति, उभाभ्याम पुण्य पापाभ्याम अवशः मानुष्यम लभते. Shubha karma, if a person does, he will get devata sharira. Nishiddha karma, if a person does, he will get naraka gati. And ubhabhyam punya papabhyam, when both of them are there, then helplessly he will become manushya. This is a prasiddha shloka actually given in Chandogya. पुण्येन पुण्यम लोकम जयति पापेन पापम उभाभ्याम एव मनुष्य लोकम. I think this is Chandogya Shruti. So that Shruti itself is now given here as a shloka. They have given there punyena punyam lokam jayati papena papam upabhyam eva manushya lokam iti asyaha shrutehe artho Anena Vyaktikritah, Anena Shlokena Vyaktikritah. That Shruti Artha is given here. Punyena Punyam Lokam. Punyam Lokam means Swargadi Lokam. Even in this world, those who have Punya, they will live in holy places. They will live where Shastra Charcha and Shastra is Upalabdha, where people want to do austerity, etc. This is the result of Punya Karma. The result of Papa Karma is you live in that place where Shastra is not available, nobody wants to respect Shastra, there is no guru, there is no opportunity to study, or there is no time to study. No, everything, even if it is there, I don't have time. But they have time for all other useless, absolutely useless things they will do, but for study, there is no time. This is Papa Karma Phalam. And if both are there, then some opportunities are there, some are not there, even in this world. Exactly the same for the other worlds also. So that Shruti Artha is given here. All are Paratantra, but person who has Punya Karma is also Paratantra, Papa Karma is also Paratantra, Ubhaya is also Paratantra. Avashaha, Kama Karmadi Paratantra ityarthaha. He is Avashaha, he is helpless. Kama Karmadi Paratantra ityarthaha. See further. उत्तर श्लोक गतस्य एवं शब्दस्य अपेक्षितम अर्थम प्रदर्शयन् एव संसार गतिम एव प्रदर्शयन् संसारमेव प्रपंचयति आ ब्रह्म इति. Now before next shloka, Acharya is going to give a big sambandhokti. So that is introduced here. Uttara shloka gatasya evam shabdasya. Uttara shloka means 42. Write down if you want. In that the first shabda is evam. Evam shabdasya apekshitam artham. What is the meaning of evam? Evam means in this way. In this way means in which way? Apekshitam artham pradarshayan eva samsara gatim eva pradarshayan samsaram eva prapanchayati. So now samsara is being elaborated for Ajnani, the one who was addressed as Itaraha or the Veda Kinkaraha. See in the Moolam. A Brahmastamba Paryante Ghore Dukhodadhau Ghati Yantravad Aroha Avaroha Nyayena Adhama Madhyama Uttama Sukha Dukha Moha Vidyut Chapala Sampad Dainir Vichitra Yoni Chanda Utpinjalaka Shwasana Vega Bihata Ambodhi Madhyavarti Shushka Labu Vat Shubha Shubha Vyamishra Karma Vayu Samiritaha Ajnani Purusha. All these are Visheshanas for Ajnani. So much is written about Ajnani also. What is it? A Brahma Stamba Paryante. Basically, two examples are there. You don't have to read, just pay attention what this is. One is, there is a roller coaster. In the olden days, it used to be called this Ghati Yantra like. And in this roller coaster, sometimes you go up, sometimes you come down. Up, down, up, down. It just goes on and on and on. So I have given this example in different context. You imagine that you decide to go in this ride out of your choice. And then you go on doing this up and down, up and down. And somehow, after some time, this is supposed to stop, this Ghati Yantra. But if it doesn't, then you are stuck. Then whatever that joyous ride which was there, you lose that joy. Now you are only struggling to get out of it. So earlier, I don't get the feeling that I'm going to get stuck, because we think everything is going to be fine. I'll just go, enjoy this ride and come out. And you get in and you get stuck. And then the struggle begins. And no matter how much you try, first of all, we don't know how to get out. So, Shastra, Guru, Sampradaya, they all help us. Second, so this is one example. Second example is of a dry pumpkin. Actually, the kamandalus, in the olden days, these kamandalus were made up of that thing. And that will float. But it will not completely float and it will not completely sink. So in the ocean, where the waves keep coming and it just goes up and down, up and down. So human being or this jiva is like that. It keeps going up and down, never steady. No stability, no sthirata, asthira. So these two examples are elaborated in these couple of lines. See. A Brahmastambha Paryante Ghore Dukho Dadhau, in the ocean of sorrow. Ghor means terrible. Starting from Brahma all the way up to Stambha. Stambha means blade of grass. A Brahmastambha Paryante. A, Ang is for which artha? What are the meanings?
There are two, Maryada and Parividhi. This one will be Parividhi, Swamiji. Inclusive. Inclusive.
Maryada Abhividhau. What is the sutra? Maryada Abhividhau. Right? This I is from for Abhividhi, including Brahma. Brahma here means Brahma. Dukho dadau, ghati yantravad, aroha avaroha nyayena. Like a ghati yantra in the olden days, for time clock, they used to have a small pot with some hole inside that you put it in
It's
the
hourglass, no? Hourglass it is.
yeah, but in those days it was not like something that they were used to. It is called ghati yantra. So they will put it in water. It will go in. It will go down actually. Then when it gets full, it will come up. Then again it will go down. So there used to be some mechanism that they had. So this ghati yantra means it will keep going up and down on its own. Our glass is you have to keep turning. This was on its own. Aroha avaroha nyayana. Going up and down, up and down. adhama madhyama uttama yoni. Varieties of yoni, adhama means lower, madhyama mediocre, uttama highest. Sukha dukha moha vidyut chapala sampat daini vichitra yoni. Vichitra yonir yasya saha vichitra yoni purusha. That person, he goes through all these yonis, adhama madhyama uttama, and sukha dukha moha. It will give sukha sattva, dukha rajoguna, moha tamoguna. Vidyut chapala sampata daini. In Tika they have given samasa vigraha. These motions up and down, the running around you call, is like a lightning flash. It will come and go. Vidyut chapala. So sometimes you think everything is so comfortable and stable, and in one lightning everything changes. Vichitra yoni. Chandot pinjalaka swasana vega abhihata. Chanda means prachanda, terrible, like ghora. Utpinjalaka. Utpinjalaka means disturbed. When the ocean is terribly disturbed by lot of wind. Shwasana vega abhihata, ambodhi in the ocean. Madhyavarti shushka alabuvat. In the middle of that ocean, there is this dry pumpkin, which doesn't sink, doesn't come up also. It cannot get out. It just keeps floating, keeps floating. Like that, Shubha Shubha Vyamishra Karma Vayu Samiritaha. The wind that is blowing is in the form of Shubha means Punya Karma, Ashubha means Papa Karma, and Vyamishra, both mix, Manushya, Janma. This karma is the Vayu, Karma Vayu Samiritaha. Shushka Alabu Vat, like a dry pumpkin. So Manushya is tossed left and right. So if we see very short span of our life, we don't realize this. But if we expand that, what did I accomplish in last 25, 30 years? From where, how much progress I have done? Then we realize I have not moved much. If you see only like, oh, in last 2 hours, what did I do? Or 5 hours? Oh, I did this, I did that. But as far as life is concerned, those small things, small accomplishments, they don't count much. See Tika. Yonish chankramyamana iti shloka gatena padena sambandha. In the shloka, evam chankramyamana is there. So that chankramyamana, yonihi chankramyamana iti shloka gatena padena sambandha. Shloka has this chankramyamana. Yoni should be connected with chankramyamana. Ta eva yonir vishinashti. That yoni is being elaborated, explained as adhama madhyama uttama yoni. When we are manushya, we look at birds and animals, etc., insects, we don't even want to see them, or we ignore them. They are also jivas. who were once upon devatas, once upon manushas, and right now they are pashu, pakshi, keet, patanga, etc. In all yonis, brahmanam goes on. Adhama, madhyama, uttama, ye sukha, dukha, moha. In adhama gati, moha. In madhyama gati, dukha. In uttama gati, sukham. Sukha, dukha, moha. Tesham vidyut chapalo yaha sampatah. Vidyudvat chapalah. Like lightning. Sampata means to fall in that, or samparkah, to come in contact with some yoni. You think now everything should be okay. What now everything? There is nothing such thing. Tam dhatum shilam yasam yoninam taha. So this is adhama, madhyama, uttama, sukha, dukha, moha, vidyut, chapala, sampata, daini. This is the meaning that is explained. Sampata means samparka. Tam datum shilam yasam yonina. All those yonis, they are bound to give this contact vidyut chapalavat, like the flash of a lightning. Taha, tathoktaha. Ta eva vichitra. These yonis are vichitra yoni. There is variety. Devatiryang naradi bhedena. Bhedena. With the varieties in the form of manushyas, devatas, animals, horizontal ones, etc. Chakramane, chankramane drashtantam aha. Chankramane drashtantam is chanda. Chanda utpinjalaka. Utpinjalaka means akula. Always worried, insecure about what will happen. What will happen about to me is one insecurity. Then what will happen to my children, their children? If they have ashram, what will happen to my ashram when I am not there? I have gathered so much money, built this ashram. This is another worry. And then, like in family or in ashram, anywhere, if person is old and let's say some people are nice to them and they are serving, so he starts getting down. I know why they are serving me, because they want my property, position, whatever. In ashram also somebody may start thinking, if some shishya is there, he is serving, I know why he is serving, I know why he wants to take away all this, as if you are going to live forever. But these kind of things, they just go on in human beings' mind. If a person is totally detached, and he gives up everything, and he says, I am not going to be involved and I don't want to be involved, that person is free. Otherwise, you can't withdraw, you can't engage. This is the problem. You can't engage because you are physically incapable of running around. You can't withdraw because you have too much attachment to all those things. So in everything you will interfere, try to poke your nose. What is happening here? What is happening there? You mind your business. You do japa, sit quietly. No. This is what ends up happening. Utpinjalakaha, akulaha, chandascha asau utpinjalakascha iti chandotpinjalakaha, karmadharaya samas. So he is terribly disturbed. Shwasanaha means Vayu. Vayu vegena. Tasya vegena abhihato. Abhihata is beaten by this wind. Yo ambonidhis tan madhyavarti. Ambonidhi, this ocean, in the middle of the ocean. How? Yad shushka alabu. Tad yatha atishayena भ्रमति तद्वत. The shushka labu, a dry pumpkin, it just goes up and down, like that. Tadvat shubham ashubham tad ubhaya vyamishram. Shubha, ashubha and mishra. Yat karma sa eva vayuhu. That itself is the vayu. Tena samiritaha preritaha. Is tossed around by this karma. And in everyone's life, there is no such period where he will get only sukham, only success. In fact, that is Bhagwan's grace. When you get some success, Bhagwan says you will have to pay price for this. And he'll take away something. He'll give something, he'll take away something. So that our vairagya stays. And we don't start thinking that I can get whatever I want and everything I can have. Nothing. You will get something, you will lose something. You will get something, you will lose something. So this is the nature of karma. This is the nature of samsara. No, na kwapi nirvrittim upalabhamanas tishtati iti. And na kwapi nirvrittim upalabhaman. Never ever he sees end of this. Nirvritti means shanti, not nivritti. Nirvritti. Nirvritti means shanti. He doesn't see shanti, peace anywhere. Na nirvrittim upalabhamanaha tishtati. He can't stay settled anywhere. Then that pashitaha is there from the shloka. Let's read the shloka. 42. Evam chankramyamanoya mavidya kama karmabhihi pashito jayate kami mriyate cha sukhavritah. Evam chankramyamanoya mavidya kama karmabhihi pashito jayate kami mriyate cha sukhavritah. Evam, in this way, chankramyamanaha. Ayam chankramyamanaha. Avidya kama karmabhihi chankramyamanaha. Chankramyamana, what is the dhatu? Kramu. Kramu pada vikshepe. What is the pratyaya? Yanganta. These are all like dandramyamanaha, bambhamyamanaha, chankramyamanaha. In all of them, what is samanam, in the first letter, anuswara comes, anunasika. So there is a sutra, nugato nunasikantasya. Nugato nunasikantasya, 7,485. Chankramyamanah ayam. So he goes on moving because of avidya kama karma. Avidya kama karma bihi chankramyamano ayam kami cha asukhavritah. Not sukhavrita, asukhavrita, dukhi. Pachito jayate mriyate. Is born, he dies. Is born, he dies. Pashita, tied with avidya kama karma and asukha, dukkha. So in Tika only one word is there, Pashito, Baddhaha, Kami, Jayate iti. So he is bound by Purva Vasana and all these Kamanas, Avidya, etc. Repeated birth and death he has to go through. Asukhavritah means he is affected by sorrows from all over. This is his state. Further, kamasya pradhanyena samsara karanatvam uktam. So kamana is the samsara karanam primarily. Tatra shruti smriti pramanam iti darshayitum aha. There shruti and smriti are pramanam to show kama is samsara karanam. In मूलम यथोक्ते अर्थ आदर विधानाय प्रमाणोपन्यासः. Whatever Acharya has said in that, in order to have adar, respect, pramanam is presented. That what is said by Acharya is according to Shruti Smriti. So there is pramanam. Yathokte arthe adar vidhanaya, adarasya vidhanaya. Then I should respect this thinking. Shrutischevam jagadartham कामस्य विनिवृत्तये
कामस्य विनिवृत्तये
तन्मूला संसृतिर्यस्मात्
तन्मूला संस्मृतिर्यस्मात्
तन्नाशो ज्ञानहानतः
तन्नाशो ज्ञानहानतः
श्रुतिश्चैवं जगादार्थं
कामस्य विनिवृत्तये तन्मूला संस्मृतिर्यस्मात् तन्नाशो ज्ञानहानतः
श्रुतिश्च इमं जगादार्थं कामस्य विनिवृत्तये श्रुतिश्च इमं अर्थं जगाद.
Gada dhatu, Swami.
Yes. जगाद गद धातु कामस्य विनिवृत्तये तन्मूला संसृतिर् यस्मात् तन्मूला संसृतिः तन्मूला व्हाट इज दैट काममूला संसृतिः तन्नाशो अज्ञानहानतः. Kamanasha will happen when Ajnanam is destroyed. Ajnananashat Kamanasha. Kamanashat Samsara Nasha. And Shruti also talks about this Artham for Kama Vinivrittaye. Jagada. Jagada is lit. Jagada प्रथम पुरुष एक वचनम. सीटी का यस्मात् काममूला संसृतिस् तस्मात् तस्य विनिवृत्तये श्रुतिर्जगाद इति अन्वयः. Since samsara is kamamula samsritihi, kama मूलम यस्याः संसृतेः सा संसृतिः काममूला. कथं तर्हि तन्निवृत्तिः इति अतः तन्नाश इति. How kamana will go? When you remove ajnanam, kamana will go. Kamana will go, then sansara will go. And in that, Shruti is given, yada sarve pramuchyante kama yasya hridi shritaha athamartyo mrito bhavati atra brahma samashnute. So, the Shruti Pramana is given, we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.